There's a little corner flood, and you can see no water's coming in here. We cleaned it out. This is where the water gathers a lot, and so if you guys can see the water, might put some gutters here. I'm thinking about it. We'll see what's going on. Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. Today we're gonna bring a stealth drain. Basically we're gonna set this up on the floor because we're getting a little puddle here. I'm gonna see if I can demonstrate for you guys a little puddle. So I started digging the hole already, and where this is gonna be squared away on that section. So we're gonna put this one in place of here. We'll cut a couple of these bricks and make sure, well, actually it fits perfect right there, you know. I don't think I have to cut any bricks at all that much. Maybe just this one right here in particular, but it looks like it's fitting pretty good. I'm gonna lower it down, make sure the water is higher on this section here. It actually fits pretty good. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. We're gonna drain it out. I go to that end over there, start trenching it. So not bad at all, not bad. And we're gonna lower it down everywhere we go, so the French drain could go in there. And then we're gonna set up another draining system here to go in there, kind of push it out to that system. So let's see how it works, all right? And I'll let you guys know. We'll do step by step. So we get a bunch of puddle here, if you guys can see this. It goes all, I trenched all the way over there. And I put a tube together too. So anything that drains on here, and I'm gonna even it out so it could be a little lower here. So in case this is not too much water gets in here and it's over flooding, at least it'll follow the same path. So I'm gonna make sure I do that with a balance, make sure that I do a traction that it goes all the way lower. So this has to be a little higher, like put it higher so much, but I'm gonna even it out with the ground, and it's gonna go straight to the bottom. So I did a tie. I also put cement in here in the first tube, and of course it curves a little bit, so second tube, and it goes all the way to the back. I'm doing the trench, and of course it's gonna go downhill and it'll go down the drain. So it's pretty much what it does. We're gonna do the gutters next. So this French, it's not bad, but they do have larger ones. This is a new 2-inch pipe, and this is flexible. So when I put it underneath here, it's gonna be above the brick. We're gonna cover it with some stones and some rocks. Then we put in the actual brick, so the weight of it won't be on top of this. That's what we're gonna do, implement. Hopefully it works. We'll test it out, and if it rains this weekend, I'll give you guys more insight. All right, big difference today. It rained all night, and look at it, guys. And I even put a little dent in here so I could, just in case, to drain the stuff out. So it's been raining, and so far so good. I like how it's going. Drain's been working very good. I'm very pleased with it, and it took me a long time. So it drains out, goes all the way to the water on the back. See where that brick is at? This brick right here, this brick right here, that's where the water drains. Well, it seems like it's working perfectly fine. All the water was captured that was flowing down here. Everything came in here. So it's working. We noticed just a look at the draining. It's going to go straight to the back, not to the grass area. They're on the corner, of course. Had to dig the trench, but it's working. Comes the chismoso. Working so far, so good. Thanks to this guy's help digging the holes. Give you guys information, all right? Really critical information. See if you guys see it. If you don't have anything down to it, see how on the top the water actually flows up. So you need to put something heavy, or you need to close it up even tighter so this thing won't pick up, all right? That's a very important thing that I just found out during this flood that we had here. The water eventually went down, but it actually went underneath it and it picked it up because it's so light. It picked it up, and if you can see, this is what I'm talking about. Put some weight on it. So I'm gonna put some heavy duty rocks in there that I have, some bricks, so it could keep it down and the water could flow down. And then I'm gonna tighten it a bit more closer to the brick, of course, to make it, and then seal it with more of a sand too. Just a heads up on that when you're gonna set something like this. Look at the water draining in here. Now that I have a brick, water is draining perfectly. Just to let you guys know, it's okay. I'm gonna add more sand in here, lift it up more and lock it in, but I like it. It's doing its job. So it's not bad. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you subscribe. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we are out.